I'm so hyped for this video. This is gonna be thebomb.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I've had this palette for a few days now and I just wanted to play with it for a few days before I reviewed it. The minute I saw this palette on the Instagram, I died inside. Do I have similar colors in other palettes? Yes. Did I need this palette? No. Did I want this palette with every fiber of my soul? Yes. A million times yes. As I said earlier, I've had this palette for a few days now. I created a few different looks, including the look that I'm rocking right now. I also used this palette to create the look that I had on in my previous video where I reviewed the Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy highlighter. If you haven't seen that review, pause this and hop on over to check that baby out and then come on back to this one. This palette did not disappoint. I'm going to insert a quick clip of me doing this eye look so you can see the shadows and their blend game. As you all just saw, this palette is immaculate. The shades literally embody soft glam. They blend perfectly, they're easy to work with, they're pigmented AF. What more could you want from a palette? The price for this Boss Bish is $42. You can currently buy it on Anastasia's website. There are 14 shades, which is typical to their palettes. Some of these shades are available in singles, and packaging is similar to their other palettes. I honestly think this is one palette that you need to have in your collection. It's small enough to carry with you. You can create a soft look for the daytime or a sexy, vamped up look for the nighttime. The quality is there, the pigmentation is there. Need I say more? For the bajillionth time, thank you all so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It means more than you know. Whether it's 5 people watching or 100 people watching, I'm super grateful for every single one of you. Please be sure to like this video if you haven't already. Comment down below your thoughts on the Soft Glam palette. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content and to see me. From the bottom of my heart, thank you all so much again, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.